good, everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video, and today's video I have the Air Jordan 18 red suede. So Jordan Brand took it back with a new style, old school style box with the Air Jordan 18. This is just a regular flip up box. As you guys remember with the OG Air Jordan 18, which released back in 2003, we have a slide out box. So Jordan Brand did something different while still keeping it traditional to the OG style box. So the Air Jordan 18 Retro in gym red and black. Style number is AA2494 and color code is 601. Suggested retail price at $225, and I picked this up on the SNKRS app. So to be honest with you, I wasn't really going after this pair. This is something that I had overlooked, but I saw that it was available and saw more pictures and I wanted the shoe. So pulling this out of the box, got paper, tissue paper in between the two shoes. The dyes are so strong that you have red residue on the tissue paper, so you guys will find that on there. And so here they are. This is the Air Jordan 18 gym red, red suede, Toro, you name it. So the shoe is done entirely in that red suede. So I would say it's gym red is not a very deep red like university red, but the quality of the shoe overall looks pretty good. One little gripe that I have about sneakers with, like, you know, an all red upper and material is that when you have materials like suede or nubuck and then you have an eyelet here, the rubber here, it's never the same color. So you'll notice that the red rubber, the suede on the upper, the eyelet, it's never the same color. When you pull the shoe out from the box, you definitely notice like the silicone based spray on the midsole, so it'll be like residue-ish. You'll feel it like right on the midsoles here. That's something that you can probably, you know, remove with your finger, like a cloth or something like that, but it's not too bad. It's just to protect it after they apply the dyes onto the shoe and they spray that silicone based spray over it just to protect it a bit. And so that's what you get. You know, overall this shoe, it looks great. You know, in person looks great. The colors just like really pop. I was comparing it to my OG Air Jordan 18 and the black suede. Let me show you guys that real quick. Let's go ahead and move these aside, and you'll see these are the OGs, and the, I guess you want to say, the hairiness of the suede up here, it's a little longer than it is on the gym red or the, I don't even know what to call these guys. The let's call them the let's call it the red suede 18. So you'll notice that the suedes may be different. Not sure if you can even tell on camera here. That's why I feel like sometimes reviews, they aren't really reliable, because you really have to feel the materials. Just like if you were to watch a cooking show, you really want to be able to taste the food, but you take the reviewer and, you know, the person that's doing the video's word for it. I hope you guys take my word for it, but again, these are great. I feel like the shape and the materials overall, they coincide with the OGs, so you're getting that OG feel. The carbon fiber looks on point. Even on the back, it's the same. It's just a little bit faded, as you can see on my OG. The rubber's good. It's still solid rubber. I feel like you can actually play this one on court. It's got like that firm rubber, just like on the OG. It's got a, you know, great rubber compound on here. So according to the brand, they strategically place like a crystallized, stickier rubber on the parts of the outsole here. I'm not sure exactly where. I'm assuming like in the heel and probably like the ball of your foot and stuff like that. Not sure if it's going to be placed on that outsole, but I would assume so, because it's so close. Even the stitching on the bottom. So I think they did a really great job mimicking the OG into this retro. So I mean, if you want to call this like a remastered shoe, even though it's not an OG colorway, I would say that they did this one proper. So this is your tongue here. It's a magnetic top, just like the OG. You have Jordan on the inside of the tongue, and then you have this paper that is dividing the two, just to give it a little bit more protection. And you have leather up top here and mesh on the tongue, as well as on these side vents for breathability. The sneaker comes with red laces with plastic chrome-like tips with the Jumpman at the end. And then on the insole you get the carbon fiber control plate patch that's sewn into the insole. The sneaker overall has a double stacked air units, all zoom. So you have zoom air in the heel and a full length zoom unit that is bottom loaded. And I'm surprised that Jordan Brand or any other product in Nike actually has double stacked air in their shoes, because I think that they should use it a lot more. It's a comfortable ride. And then the way that this insole is designed is that it actually cups, so when you place your foot in there, it hugs like the heel of your foot and then your midfoot, and then on the bottom you have like this carbon fiber shank. Overall, I think this sneaker looks great. Gym red, or the red suede, is just something that I feel like Jordan could have wore when he was playing still. He was playing, but he was playing for the Wizards, so you'll get this colorway. But if he was playing for the Bulls, this is definitely a sneaker that he would be rocking on court. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Hit me up if you have any questions. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I guess the next video that I want to do is actually comparing like all of the red suede type Air Jordans with this one and show you guys like the color variances and the differences. But anyways, I'll save that for another video. Again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. Talk to you guys soon. Take care.